Alright guys, we are here. We're gonna go have a short ride in a boat. We're going to do a island hopping for a little bit, and then we're gonna go check out in this small resort. That's where we're staying, over there in that balcony. It's just a small place, guys. It's very nice in here. You have a really nice view, and it's so cheap, really cheap. We're actually only paying about $29 per day, so that's about $1,500 pesos per night. So it's only $29 per night, guys. Go on Airbnb and then look for Serena Andrea. That's the name of the place, Serena Andrea, and they are in Calapandayan. It's right just a few miles from Subic, and a few miles from Barreto in Subic, Zambales. So this is a really nice place. If you guys want to come over and try to stay here for a few nights, it's worth it because it's really cheap. It's quiet, it's very peaceful. We never had an issue for the time we're staying, right, Jackie?
Yeah, it's been great.
Yeah, so you can get out, you can get in anytime you want. They'll give you a key to the gate to get in. It's a private facility, so there's a gate in there. It's really safe, so it's really nice, guys. It's been nice, and this is our 6th day stay here in the Philippines. I know it's March 7th because we are 1 day ahead here in the Philippines from the US, but this is our 6th day stay here, and we're gonna go ahead and go to Cebu later today. We're gonna go see our friends Amy and Pete and Angie, and of course our friend Redeem. So we're gonna go to Bantayan Island from Cebu, main Cebu Island, and then go to Bantayan Island. And I cannot wait to see you guys there in Cebu. So we're gonna go fly later today. My brother's gonna take us to Clark Airport, and that's where we're flying from. And it only takes probably an hour and a half to go from Clark to Cebu. So we'll be there so quick, and then we're gonna have fun. So I'll show you guys what we're doing, and it's gonna be a fun day. So today we're gonna do a boat ride. We're gonna do a island hopping, and it's 8 o'clock in the morning here in the Philippines. So I'll see you guys later. island. I don't know what's the name of this island, guys. We'll find out. Look at that. Tiny fish over there swimming. You wanna go down that way? Okay. You okay without shoes, honey? Yeah. Taas.
Daan.
Oh.
Makita natin Cebu.
Okay lang yung daan?
Opo, okay.
Do you wanna wear my slipper?
No, you
Gonna be okay? We're gonna go up in here.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try.
Yes sir, yes sir. Tingnan natin. Pero ginabas ko tayo ng mga pera.
Okay, we're climbing up, guys. We're doing a little bit of a hike. Okay.
Yung barko, hindi dito bumangga at mga kuhal. Kasi po, mababaw na dyan po sir.
Sa
kuhal po.
May ilaw pala yan.
May ilaw yan po sir.
Is that like a lookout type thing?
It's a lighthouse, kinda. Yeah. So this is like a lookout or some kind of lighthouse, guys, to warn the ship. It's pretty up here. Beautiful. So that place there, guys, is a lighthouse. That's their lighthouse to warn the boat, ship, whoever comes in here, because it's really shallow here. So they have to have that lighthouse in here. And I noticed a lot of people come here and they swim. The water is nice and clear and clean. A lot of people come here. Probably they can stay here for a day and have a picnic. You like it, Jackie?
I love it. Beautiful. Yeah, it's a lot of fun climbing the
get better. Thank you